Sundar, I wonder what keeps you up at night around this issue of AI?
The urgency to work and deploy it in a beneficial way.
Over the past few years, Google has positioned itself as one of the leading phone manufacturers alongside the likes of Samsung and Apple. Its latest release, the Pixel 7 Pro, has even been hailed as one of the best on the market. However, there's a feeling that the company only prioritizes software and not hardware. So how true is this, and are they really the AI kings in the mobile phone industry? Let's find out together in this video. When it comes to purchasing a phone, users consider two key factors, software and hardware, as these components play a crucial role in shaping the user experience. On one hand, hardware refers to the physical components of the phone, including the device's physical structure, display, processor, camera, battery, and other tangible parts. It acts as the skeleton of the phone, providing the foundation for its functionality and performance. Factors such as the phone's speed, display quality, and battery life are determined by the hardware. On the other hand, software encompasses the digital programs and operating systems that run on the phone. It includes the user interface, apps, and functionalities that users interact with on a daily basis. Essentially, the software enables users to navigate the phone's features, access applications, customize settings, and perform various tasks. Considering the fact that both have equal importance, the expectation is that companies will prioritize both.
Absolutely.
But that has not always been the case. Perhaps the worst-kept secret in the mobile phone industry is that some companies prioritize hardware over software and vice versa. With the former category, the inclination toward hardware is not surprising, considering that users are often drawn to impressive specifications and promotional features. For instance, Apple's iPhone boasts the A16 Bionic chip, recognized as the world's fastest, highlighting their emphasis on hardware performance. Similarly, Samsung incorporates a remarkable 200MP camera in the S23 Ultra, further showcasing their hardware-focused approach. In contrast, Google is not widely recognized for its hardware and has faced significant criticism due to hardware-related issues. In fact, the early stages of their Pixel devices, in particular, received feedback concerning design and other hardware-related aspects.
Not good at all.
Nevertheless, Google has excelled in software innovation by introducing unique features. In fact, it comes as no surprise that Google has made significant progress in the realm of artificial intelligence, given the company's strong background in this field. With a focus on AI, Google has undertaken numerous projects that showcase its commitment to advancing technology. For instance, when the company was founded, the majority of searches were conducted on computers in homes, computer labs, or libraries. However, over the past 25 years, Google, through AI, has revolutionized the search experience.
Absolutely amazing, and very meticulous on their part.
Today, it is possible to perform searches in various languages and utilize unconventional inputs. Additionally, AI has even enabled searching by humming a tune, harnessing the power of audio recognition. It is even more striking to note that the company sees AI as one of its core duties, and in blog titled, 9 Ways We Use AI in Our Products, they indicate, we've been developing AI for more than 2 decades. The question then is, how have they incorporated AI into their Pixel lineup to make them the kings of the game? One of the standout features in the Google Pixel phones that reinforces the notion of Google prioritizing software over hardware is the exclusive call screening feature. The Pixel lineup stands out as the only phone that offers this innovative capability, which addresses the challenges users face with unwanted and spam calls. Call screening on the Pixel 7 Pro enables users to screen incoming calls in real time, providing a live transcription of the caller's message. To illustrate the significance of call screening, imagine receiving a call from an unfamiliar number.
Just think about it.
With the live transcription, the Pixel 7 Pro displays the caller's message, allowing you to gauge its importance or relevance without directly engaging with the caller. This helps users avoid insulting or awkward situations and gives them more control over their communication. Additionally, the Pixel 7 Pro also offers the ability to bypass automated systems when calling companies. This feature solves the challenge of navigating through lengthy phone menus and waiting on hold. In addition to the aforementioned, Google, through AI, is making call recording even more impressive. The company, in its previous releases of the Pixel, offered users the opportunity to transcribe their recordings in real time. And this has been an incredible and important feature for most, especially for the secretaries who do not have to write minutes of meetings or the interviewer who does not need to transcribe after recording. The challenge, however, was that the transcription did not assign labels for the speakers, meaning that users had to manually do that. The good news is that Google has finally fixed that.
Wow, that's great.
The speaker labels for recording transcription revolutionizes voice transcription by incorporating speaker identification, greatly enhancing accuracy and organization. But how does Google accomplish this? The Pixel 7 Pro employs a sophisticated system comprised of three key components: a speaker turn detection model, a speaker encoder model, and a multi-stage clustering algorithm. Again, another impressive feature offered by the latest Pixel 7 models is the photo unblur, which stands out as a game-changer in the realm of photo editing. This innovative tool, which is only available on Google's Pixel 7, is designed to transform blurry photos into clear and stunning images, ready to be shared with the world.
Impressive.
Photo unblur harnesses the power of the new Tensor G2 chip, a cutting-edge processor integrated into the Pixel 7 devices. This powerful hardware enables the AI-driven algorithms to work their magic, enhancing the quality and sharpness of any photo in your library. With just a simple click on the Unblur button, the AI technology analyzes the image and applies advanced algorithms to remove blurriness, resulting in a crisp and visually appealing photo. The transformation is remarkable, turning previously unusable or subpar images into ones that you'll be proud to showcase. One might ask why Google places so much emphasis on software, and quite frankly, there is one simple answer: to make lives better through mobile phones. While having a better camera, processor, and refresh rate is great and fun, the ultimate goal of technology is to make our lives easier. This is why Google focuses on features like call screening, recording, and speaker labels to enhance usability. To put it into perspective, imagine having a personal assistant who can screen your calls and provide you with a live transcription of the message. It's like having someone filter out unwanted calls and prioritize your time. Similarly, having speaker labels in recording transcription is like having a built-in note-taker who can accurately identify different speakers, making it easier to organize and comprehend the content. Just as technology has made tasks like navigation and communication more convenient, Google's software innovations aim to simplify and enhance our mobile phone experience. By prioritizing software features that make everyday tasks easier, Google strives to improve our lives and bring more value to our smartphones. Speaking of apps that make lives easier, Apple has recently introduced a journaling app aimed at simplifying the journaling process. This exciting new feature is set to debut in the upcoming iOS update, and we have all the information you need to know about its functionality and usage.